Hello guys, today I will tell you about how can we use nested if loop with a simple example. We'll start our example from registration number, student name, then subjects which include accounting, finance and economics, then obtained marks, percentage and last one status. Now write the registration number 12121, then 12122, then just select both the boxes so it will create a sequence and then just drag it down. As you can see the sequence. Now student name, first one is Harry, then Mark, Christopher, then James, John and Michael. For marks we can use rank between formula, but I will just write it manually so make it more practical. Let first include 90, then 89, 79, 18, 98, 76 and 83, 79, 70, 33, 89, 86. And for economics, as you can see the marks. For obtained marks we use the sum formula like equals to SUM sum bracket open. We just select the all three subjects and as you can see, now just drag it down. And for percentage we use it manually, like we just write first we just select all the boxes and click on percentage, so our every marks comes in percentage like equals to, and select the obtained marks divided by, as you can see three subjects, so you write the total marks as 300. And like as you can see 84% updates in percentage, and just drag it down. Now just make it presentable, make it in the center and select all and make it on center. Just select and click on bold, select again and just thick border, select all and click on all boxes in border, then just colored it. Now we write the nested if loop. First we start from equals to, if bracket open, and we select the percentage box like G2 greater than equals to 90. For 90 we write 0.9, comma, inverted comma, A inverted comma close, comma, then again write if bracket open, then again write the same address which is G2 greater than equals to 80% means 0.80, comma, inverted comma open, B inverted comma close, comma, again if bracket open, G2 greater than equals to 0.7 means 70%, comma, inverted comma open, then C inverted comma close, comma, again if bracket open, G2 greater than equals to 0.6 means 60, comma D return close, comma else means if not then just fail. And for fail we write inverted comma F inverted comma close, and then remaining parenthesis, as you can see, result appear as B. Now we just drag it down. Now you can see more than 90% got grade A. As you can see, we write here similar will happen, like as you can see, more than 80% or equals to 80 get B grade. You can see also here 82% got B grade. Now I just copy the formula so that it will be helpful for everyone to understand it. Inverted comma and then just copy it. As you can see, and then if G2 gets 70, then if G2, then if, and at the end you can see. Now our nested if example is completed. Just click on it, italic. If you like the video, please share and also subscribe it. Thank you.